Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Kronos at number 1, followed by HBAR, ICP, Ethereum Classic, BONK, Caspar, Render, and then we'll end it. Oh, we know there's Tau and then Paul. Let's get straight into it. Kronos against BTC. Here we are for Kronos. So for Kronos, we were hoping for Kronos to have a gigantic squeeze over here, but it didn't. It dropped down, took out the lows over here, and now there is a strong rally. Are we going to go straight up here, or could we be coming back down for a squeeze over here? Down A, up B, down C, D, E, and then pump 2028. We recover back up, or are we going up this cycle? Not too sure. We're not too sure. Kronos against USD is up above the skinny pink line again. How much higher could we go to? If I had to guess, right? And if I have to guess that we are continuing higher, my guess is we're going to stop around here, right? There is going to be strong resistance at around 44 cents. This is what I'll say, around 44 cents. So this will still be another 126% more for Kronos. So a little bit more upside for Kronos. Again, as long as we are above the skinny pink line, we remain with our bullish bias. We were under, we change bearish. We go back up, we change bullish. So Kronos, more likely than not, should be heading towards around 44 cents. HBAR, okay, HBAR is just suddenly woke up from its slumber. So anyway, HBAR has been on a downwards trend. It's just down, down, down. So your bro, when is going to be the reversal? Bam! Suddenly comes up. Okay, could this be something that we could anticipate? Nope. It just suddenly came. Any clear bullish reversal? No. We're still clearly under the skinny pink line. We haven't really truly broken back up and stayed above it yet. So as it stands, you want to be very careful. Against USD, HBAR is, yes, above the skinny pink line. Yeah, obviously, this is already invalidated, right? Because there was something like a rising channel. So usually rising channel is a bearish continuation. If the preceding trend is bearish, subsequent trend, we're anticipating bearish as well, right? We did break down though, but we didn't touch target. And then suddenly, pam, HBAR just went bananas. Anything for us to work with at this point of time? No, nothing much. Again, noisy area around this. Around 20 cents, 20 plus. So this will still be another, 70-80% more towards the upside. But at the same time, you want to wait for the consolidation first before taking a trade towards the upside. If anything, you have to wait for this to appear. And watch out for the skinny pink line. We have to stay above it, right? If we, of course, come back down, then, it's a different story. Like over here, we broke higher, but then we came back down. So, yo, bro, what's happening? Now we're up again. So it's like, bro, what's this, bro? Could we be coming back down for C, A, B, C, right? D, E, maybe a squeeze like that. Yes, no? Okay, we're not entirely sure. So as it stands, be careful, be careful. ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. ICP is a lower low. Yeah, so ICP's mountain range did break lower. So how much lower will ICP go against BTC? Will there be a reversal soon? Anyway, if we were to count the waves, right, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's already 5 waves down. So more likely than not, there should be a reversal. But we would prefer these lows not to be taken out because this would be a very nice squeeze. But it stands, no. ICP against USD, clearly still under the skinny pink line. So we still have our targets here. 570 and 417. It's still valid as it stands until we take out these highs. Just take out these highs. That's it. We consider this as invalidated. As it stands, more likely than not, a bearish continuation towards the downside. Unless, of course, suddenly we just spike up, then, hey, very likely we're going to head towards the noisy areas over here. You can see that, again, noisy area stopped here, right? There's some noise over here, but I suspect we'll head towards this area. So this will be around 40 plus. Oh, this could be 400%. Woo! Bananas. This could be bananas. But as it stands, I would like to see the break above the skinny pink line. And then a consolidation. Break up, consolidate, we jump in for a trade higher. Probably, so like I was saying, around $40. So as it stands, we're going to be patient. We're going to have to be patient. Ethereum Classic. Yes, sir. ETC against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum Classic. Any signs of a reversal yet? No. Going up to the weekly. We're hoping for a squeeze here. Right? And then a breakout. We are hoping for that, but of course, no guarantees. Ethereum Classic against USD. We're spiking back up. So what's the story, Morning Glory? Looks to me like this is a squeeze. It could be breaking out though towards the upside, right? We're probably gonna clear all these clusters of buys, heading towards close to $100, probably around 85, beyond 85, I would say. Yeah, so this could be another 200%. 200% is a lot, boys. Yeah, this looks to me like an accumulation. Yep. But the thing is, yeah, we're just marking around the skinny pink line. Up and down, up. Who's to say that, we could come back down again, right? Yeah. So it would be great if we got something more clear, something more tradable. Resistance, yeah, no, we have to be patient. We have to wait for it. BONK, bonkers. BONK against USD. Look at it on gates. BONK actually had a target over here. Obviously, it's going to be invalidated. Why? Because we had a mountain range, but eventually it rose higher. Right? It took out this size the moment. It took out this size. That's it. It's invalidated. And this is a new all-time high. Any balls to work with? Yeah, no, we're gonna have to move on. Caspar against BDC. Here we are for Caspar. Okay, we look at it against USD. On gate. So for Caspar, we actually had two targets here. We were anticipating Caspar to complete the head and shoulders. Right. We could still come back down for a right shoulder, but I suspect that, we could be forming a new all-time high. But as it stands, technically, we're still, the possibility of it coming back down is still there. Right. Again, let's take out these highs. That's it. And we invalidate the target. But as it stands, yeah, that's why you were saying we're anticipating the right shoulder to complete. Will we get it? I don't know. Everything's really bullish at the moment. So, yeah, there could be another strong rally back up. As it stands, technically, the targets are still valid for Caspar. Render against BDC. Here we are for Render. We still have the target over here. Yep. You gotta take out these highs for us to consider Render's BDC target to be invalidated. So, 5790, 4690 is still in play. We still expect all of these clusters of cells to be taken out eventually. Again, we're also under the skinny pink line, so we're clearly in a bearish trend. But again, at the same time, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there could be some consolidation here first before heading lower, but as it stands, yeah, still largely bearish against BDC. Against USD, yeah, we're spiking back up above the skinny pink line. Nothing much for us to work with, so we're gonna have to give Render a skip to Tau against USD. Here we are for Tau. Let's look at it on gate. So Tau, best case scenario for Tau is AB, CD, E. So which means that we are anticipating this portion of the move to happen for Tau. But at the same time, Tau could also be forming a squeeze here. You see this A, B, C, D, E. It breaks higher. Absolutely possible. We form a new all-time high for B-Tensor. So as it stands, yeah, there's just nothing much for us to work with. We have to be patient. We have to wait for the opportunity to present itself. But as it stands, Paul is just here and there. Neither here, neither there. Paul against BTC. Here we are for Paul. Okay, don't have much information here. Paul is actually Matic. So let's look at Matic on Coinbase. So if you look at Matic, right? Matic had a huge mountain range here. Mountain. We were anticipating Matic to just, collapse, right? Let me look at it on crypto. Okay, you have a better view here. Matic was actually poised for a... Yeah, we were anticipating the collapse of Matic, right? We actually did drop lower, and we actually did clear these clusters of cells here. So what is this? Is this a revival of Matic? It's very slow move, right? Falling channel. Yes? Yeah, but nothing much for us to work with, so we just have to be patient. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. See you in the next one.